Hello, this is John Mullins again. Today I'm going to do a spiced vanilla mango shake, and I'm going to prepare it in front of you so you can see what I'm doing and understand this recipe. And here we go. I've got one mango which I've cut in half and I should put inside the tub. And then after that, once I've done that, I'm going to add some milk. And the milk I'm choosing to use today is the almond milk, but you can, however, you can use any milk you wish of choice. It would be normally best if you can make your own ice cream, that'd be wonderful. But today I am only going to use some vanilla ice cream. Okay, and of course, as always, I am going to add a beautiful Scotch bonnet. This drink is of a Caribbean nature. The amount of Scotch bonnet I'm going to use is 1/3. It's washed, by the way. And if you can stay away from, keep the seeds out of it, because it will cause a lot of heat to come out, which is not necessarily what this dish is about. Here we go. Can you see that much? Thank you very much. Right, here we go. Now I'm going to add the almond milk. And I will infuse with, no I won't infuse with vanilla, no vanilla with this one. Mint, sorry. Here we go. The beauty is always in the taste. Alright. 1/3 of a Scotch bonnet, 200 grams of ice cream, and half a mango. Right. It's nice. Alright. What I can say to you now, if you like it, share it. And if you're going to share it, subscribe and tell all your friends, but please try it. Thank you.